Hi everybody, Andarki Namaskaram. I'm really happy to be here today and to be speaking to all of you. I don't know where to start.
Telugu.
Yes, it's coming. So, Guru Garu has asked me to say a few words in Telugu today. I'm going to try my best. Okay, so Guru Garuto ee film lo pani chesi avakasham vachinanduku నాకు ఎంతో ఉల్లాసంగా ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ. అండ్ గురుగారి 151st సినిమాలో నేను నటించడం నా అదృష్టంగా భావిస్తున్నాను. వారు ఒక సంస్థ, మందరికి వారు ఎంతో ప్రేరణ కలిగించి అద్భుతమైన శిక్షణ ఇచ్చారు. I don't think my words or anyone else's for that matter could do any real justice to Guru Garu's glorious career. What I love and admire about him the most is what a wonderful human being he is and how he's so full of love for everybody. I've never seen him discriminate between two people or treat them differently. I think that's what I love about him the most, and I'd really like to thank you for the opportunity to work with you. You're a fantastic leader and a legend in the true sense of the word. Thank you.
Thank you.
Coming to my co-star, Vishnu. He's a lot of fun on the sets. He's always making people smile. If you watch the making videos of the film, you'll constantly see me giggling in between shots, courtesy Vishnu. We're always pulling each other's legs a lot. We're a lot like Tom and Jerry in that way. And I think he's one of the most positive, caring, grounded, talkative people I've ever met, in addition to being a very talented and unique actor. I've had a great time working with you and a lot of laughs. Thank you. I'd like to thank everyone that was part of this film, everyone that's on this stage present here today and not. I feel that every single person who was part of this film has contributed in a great way to making it the brilliant film that it is now. And I just want to say thank you to the entire camera department, all of the people in the direction team, Shanti Garu, our cameraman Anji, the entire makeup department, all the production managers, my staff, Vishnu's staff, everybody, our editors, everyone has put in their 100% and given it their best, and they all deserve to be appreciated. Now coming to the man of the hour, Chakri sir. Our film deals with the relationship between a grandfather and a grandson, and as such has a lot of intensity and a lot of emotionally high moments. It is my opinion that Chakri sir's music has elevated these moments and taken them to a higher level. Thank you for that, Chakri sir, and also all of the musicians, the singers and the lyricists who have come out with this fantastic album. Last but not the least, all of our audiences and our fans, thank you so much for all your love. We've made this film with a lot of love, and I believe that the content of this film would make a difference in your lives, and I hope you really enjoy it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Catherine. We please